have to understand that as a humans, we're exposed to the two types of energy. Energy which goes inside of us, information, which Chinese call yang energy, which is a centripetal. That means it's like a screw goes inside. That's how the information goes inside. And the information which goes out, which is yang energy, which is management. This is resources, this is management. So all of the informations that are coming from outside or even from inside will go to, as a resources, to the bank of information in our body. And it's like breathing in and breathing out. Why is like this? Because the energy is accumulation of the proper quality of the biophotons, which are going to go outside in order to reprogram of the cells which are at the end of that or are weaker because of lifestyle, exposure to many other things. So they have to revitalize them. The more sick cells you have in your body, the sicker the person is going to be. If the person is going to have a 20 or over 20% of the cells which do not contribute to the community of the cells, the patient is going to die. So we have to revitalize the cells which are diseased, disorder, weak, with the yang energy which originates from the center of the yin energy. This is like, I always mention, because money is easier in United States to compare energy with money. So if you put the money into your saving account, and all of a sudden you have some damage in your house and you have to use this money in order to pay for work, it has to be done. You're using this as a checking account, as a yang energy management. So you're putting all the time information as an energy into bank of your yin energy resources, and all the time you're sending this energy in order to revive of the cells which are not functioning very well, or eliminate cells which are dead. You cannot hold in your body cells which are weak or dead. You have to revive them. If you are not capable to do this, you are going to have a sickness, disorders, and finally death. So the whole principle of the energy is to restore information in the cells in order for them to provide some work which is essential for the whole organism. The other methods, like kinesiology, like transdermal, like, well, there's a little bit different different idea with the other method, because they only measure the energy which goes outside. So they measure only yang energy. They are not capable to check in energy. And most of the damage is done at the level of over here. Most of the disorder is coming from in energy, from resources. When the resources are not correct, the yang energy is also incorrect. So you have to restore properly in energy. The deeper energy dysfunctions are going to create the bigger problem. All the problem related to cancer, all the problem to severe degeneration, all the problem related to all neurological conditions coming from resources, not from management. So it's very important to know this. Maybe in the future we are going to have different methods. Everybody likes computerized stuff, but there is a problem with computerized stuff. Computer stuff measure only Young energy, and computer stuff is programmed by somebody who has some particular knowledge about something, and depending what program is established, this program is running. So it's, of course, it's nice, easy, and I went through the many programs from Mora to Vega testing, many others. I have even the fantastic Russian AMSAT system, which is very difficult to get in the United States. QXCI, all kind of different instrumentation, and they are very, very limited as far as the work. That's why I was looking for something what is closer to the truth, something what gives me the better results.